Hi, I'm Rosanna Berardi, Managing Partner at Berardi Immigration Law. It's Tuesday morning, and you know what that means. Time for my weekly video on cross-border tips. So what if I told you that all of your border crossing problems could be solved for $50? I bet my phone would be ringing off the hook if you heard that numerous times. Well, most of your border crossing problems can indeed be solved for $50. How, may you ask? Through our trusty Nexus card. The Nexus program is a frequent traveler program for Americans and Canadians who want to avoid lengthy lines and security traveling to and from the United States. So Nexus is an application that you fill online. You have to have biographical information, date of birth, where you've lived, whether you've had any criminal offenses or immigration offenses. You need to be a squeaky clean applicant to obtain one of these great cards, meaning you can't have any problems with the law or with the government. But let's assume that you're squeaky clean. You go in for an interview where you meet U.S. Customs and Border Protection as well as the Canadian authorities. And if all goes according to plan, you get this card for 5 years. $50, 5 years. You can use it to cross the border. It puts you in a separate processing line that's quicker, generally asks less questions. And it also allows you to go through TSA pre-check in the United States. So if you travel frequently through the big airports like JFK, Chicago, Miami, this is your ticket to freedom. Rather than standing in line for hours and hours going through customs, you're showing your Nexus card, TSA pre-check, and away you go. Summer's upon us. It's going to be 88 degrees today here in Buffalo, New York. And that means long lines and long processing at the U.S.-Canadian border. Don't sit in a line for 2 hours. You really don't need to. Instead, apply for your Nexus card. Call us at Berardi Immigration Law. We can help you. It's certainly an application you can do yourself, but we can give you some strategic guidance regarding processing times and whether you have an issue that could preclude you from obtaining Nexus. So it's Rosanna Berardi. Have a great Tuesday. Berardi Immigration Law, your business immigration solutions firm.